Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must first confirm you are authorized to access the vehicle, gather registration, and your photo ID. Once done, look for a spare key or an active key fob and open the manufacturer app on your phone if available. Make sure the car's VIN and model year are handy so roadside services can verify ownership quickly. If you have a remote unlock service through insurance or OEM, prepare to authenticate and use that as the fastest legal option now. Next, try authorized remote unlocking. Sign into the manufacturer app and follow the unlock procedure, or call your roadside assistance line and request remote entry. When you call, give your VIN, registration details, and confirm your identity so they can initiate a verified unlock. Make sure to share precise GPS coordinates and stay visible and safe near the vehicle while they work. If the app can't reach the car, arrange an ETA with a locksmith or dealer to avoid unnecessary attempts that could damage the lock. If remote options fail, arrange for a licensed locksmith or dealer technician to perform a non-destructive entry. When they arrive, show registration and photo ID to confirm ownership. Make sure they use manufacturer-approved tools or procedures to avoid damage. Once unlocked, test locks and remote functions. If the key fob or vehicle battery is dead, request a jump start or manual key insertion, and then reprogram or replace the fob as required. Tip: if something goes wrong, pause and verify credentials before allowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.